Morgan and McKim were inspired by ancient Rome and also Renaissance Rome. McKim hired Edward Clark Potter to design 2 lions originally. And the earliest idea was that these lions would guard rather ferociously the doors to Morgan's library. The sculptor had been to the recently created Bronx Zoo and had actually studied animals from life. At some point, he made a wonderful decision to make these Abyssinian lionesses.
And it was very important to us to do a full conservation of both of these wonderful figures. So as part of that, the conservators did a careful assessment of the lionesses.
The lionesses are in quite good condition. They were carved out of entire blocks of Tennessee pink, the same stone as the facade. There is some staining that we will address through cleaning, several crack repairs, previous interventions that we will reverse, and there's some loss of the ears. So we will recarve those out of stone and reattach them as though they were never lost.
These regal and serene lionesses are the guardians of the library, and now we can actually get to see them up close.